Let's get down to business. China is easing some of its strict COVID rules, including shortening quarantines by 2 days for those who have had close contact with individuals who test positive for the virus and inbound travelers. Instead of making travelers stay at a centralized quarantine facility for 7 days upon arrival, the new rules stipulate a 5-day quarantine. Overall, the new measures emphasized home quarantine instead of centralized quarantine. Shares of casino operators Wynn Resorts and Las Vegas Sands moving higher on the easing of those COVID restrictions, as both have casinos in Macau, China, that have been squeezed by the country's strict zero-COVID policy. And Japan's SoftBank turned a profit this quarter with help from Chinese tech giant Alibaba. The bank sold some of its stake in Alibaba during the July to September quarter that helped it realize a $21 billion profit. However, the shift leaves it increasingly reliant on its Vision Fund, which reportedly had losses of nearly $10 billion. SoftBank CEO Masayoshi Son, or Masa Son, says he's going to focus on the company's UK-based chip company ARM for a couple of years, as it expects to be an explosive driver of growth for the company. And e-cigarette giant Jul Labs reaching a financing deal with two of its earliest investors to avoid Chapter 11 bankruptcy. The Altria-backed vape company says it's going to cut 400 jobs, or roughly a third of its workforce, as part of its restructuring. Juul is currently contending with falling sales and regulatory hurdles, but notes that the investment would allow it to maintain business operations, continue its administrative appeal with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, and support product innovation. The size of its bailout package has not been disclosed.